In today's video, I am going to teach you how to drag chart up and down vertically in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart. On the right side, you'll see the price scale, also called the y-axis. To move the entire chart up or down, place your mouse directly on that price scale. Click and hold, then drag up or down. This doesn't change your time view, it simply shifts the visible price window so you can center the levels you care about. If it feels jumpy, make smaller drags and keep the cursor on the scale itself, not on the main chart area. If the chart won't move when you try this, it's likely because auto scaling is turned on. Auto keeps all recent price action in view by fitting it to the screen, which locks out vertical repositioning. Look along the bottom of the chart for the auto toggle and turn it off. With auto disabled, you are in full manual control and can freely drag the price view where you want it. When you need Tradingview to refit everything, you can always turn auto back on later. If your view gets messy or you want to quickly return to a clean centered scale, reset it. Just double click the price axis or press Alt+R on your keyboard. This instantly restores a sensible fit, so you can start fresh without guessing where the original scale was. When adjusting drawings, hold Shift while you drag them. This constrains movement to perfectly vertical or perfectly horizontal, which is great for sliding a support line straight up to a resistance zone, or nudging a level without accidentally shifting it sideways. Release Shift to go back to free movement. You can also resize the chart's price range by dragging on the price scale. Click and drag to stretch or compress it until the moves you care about fill more of the screen. In fast, volatile markets, this helps you focus on the exact price levels that matter. Rather than letting big swings make everything look tiny, small, controlled drags give you precise adjustments. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.